What happens when a budget brand quietly begins to rival the titans of the action camera industry? That's the question many in the camera community are now asking as rumors about the Akaso Brave 9 begin to circulate. In a market long dominated by GoPro, DJI, and Insta360, Akaso has steadily built its reputation as the go-to choice for creators on a budget. But the Brave 9 might be more than just an affordable option. It could signal a pivotal shift in the action camera landscape. Today, we'll break down everything we know, everything we suspect, and everything we predict about this potentially groundbreaking camera. We'll explore its rumored features, strategic purpose, likely price point, and why it might change the way we think about content creation. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications, especially if you love camera tech, rumors, and real-world storytelling that reveals what these tools can really do. Akaso's Brave journey. From entry-level to industry disruptor. To understand where the Brave 9 might be going, we need to look at where the Brave series came from. Akaso didn't start out trying to compete with the big players. The Brave 4, one of their earliest models, was known for basic 4K recording and a surprisingly solid waterproof casing. It didn't have stabilization or high-end audio, but it worked. And for the price, it worked better than many expected. Fast forward to the Brave 7, which introduced dual screens, and suddenly Akaso had caught the attention of vloggers and adventurers. Then came the Brave 8, which pushed into 4K 60 FPS territory, included voice control, and offered respectable image stabilization. Features once reserved for cameras 2 to 3 times the price. The Brave 8 felt like a declaration of intent. It was Akaso saying, "We're not just cheap, we're serious." And if the Brave 9 delivers on its rumored potential, it could be the company's breakthrough moment. Why now? The logic behind launching the Brave 9. Timing is everything in tech. As smartphone cameras become increasingly advanced, users expect more from their dedicated action cameras. Merely offering 4K isn't enough anymore. Consumers want cinematic results, pro-level audio, seamless stabilization, long battery life, and cloud-based workflows, and they want all this at a fair price. Akaso appears to be seizing this moment. There's a clear market gap between $100 budget cameras and $400 flagships. That mid-tier is where the Brave 9 is likely aiming, offering near-premium features without the premium price tag. The rising popularity of platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels has also created demand for compact, vlogger-friendly cameras that can shoot vertical, front-facing, and stabilize footage in real time. The Brave 9, with its expected improvements, seems to be designed with this new creator economy in mind. It's not just about extreme sports anymore. It's about flexibility, portability, and storytelling power in any environment. The rumored features of the Akaso Brave 9 deep dive. Let's now dive deep into the rumored specs and unpack what they might mean in the real world. A larger sensor for better image quality. Sources suggest that the Brave 9 will house a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor, significantly larger than the sensors used in previous Akaso models. A bigger sensor means more light capture, better detail, improved dynamic range, and far superior low-light performance. In real-world terms, it means less grain when shooting at night, richer skies during sunset time-lapse, and more accurate skin tones for vlogging. Upgraded resolution, 6K 30 and 4K 60. The Brave 9 is rumored to offer 6K video at 30 frames per second, pushing Akaso into an entirely new realm. While few creators may need 6K, the benefits are huge, especially in post-production. You can crop, stabilize, and reframe your footage for multiple aspect ratios without any noticeable loss in quality. Additionally, 4K at 60 frames per second provides butter-smooth footage for action shots, slow-motion scenes, and fast-paced adventures. For mountain bikers, skaters, or snowboarding creators, this is a must-have. EIS 3.0, gimbal-like stabilization without the bulk. The Brave 9 is expected to come with EIS 3.0, Akaso's most advanced electronic image stabilization yet. Unlike traditional digital cropping, EIS 3.0 is rumored to include horizon lock and AI-based motion correction. In real-world terms, you could be skiing down a slope, climbing a rocky trail, or kayaking in rough water, and your footage will still look smooth and steady, as if it were mounted on a stabilizer. That's the kind of performance that takes casual creators into professional territory. Dual screens and smart vlogging features. The front display is expected to get a redesign, larger, more vibrant, and more responsive. Perfect for solo creators who need framing confidence while shooting themselves. The rear screen will likely be touch-enabled, offering faster access to settings and modes. Voice commands and gesture controls may also be improved, allowing hands-free shooting in situations where manual control is impossible. Think skiing, underwater diving, or shooting with gloves on. Audio upgrades and external mic support. One of the biggest limitations of budget cameras has always been audio. But with the Brave 9, Akaso is rumored to introduce dual mic noise cancellation, significantly improving vocal clarity in noisy environments. The camera might also support external mics via USB-C or an optional adapter. For motovloggers or travel storytellers, this is a crucial feature. Imagine narrating your adventure on a motorcycle with wind noise reduced and voice still sharp. That's the kind of real-world impact this upgrade brings. Waterproof and built tougher. The Brave 9 is expected to be waterproof up to 10 meters, 33 feet, without an external case, and possibly shock-resistant from drops of up to 1.5 meters. These numbers may seem small, but in practice, they make a huge difference. You don't need to carry bulky housings or worry about sudden weather changes. This camera is being designed to go wherever you go, whether it's underwater, on rocky terrain, or mounted to a drone. Improved battery and fast charging. The battery is rumored to be upgraded to 1,700 milliamp hours, with up to 90 minutes of 4K continuous recording. That's a big deal for users who often shoot long clips, like downhill bikers, sports event vloggers, or travel documentarians. More impressively, USB-C fast charging might allow users to go from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes, reducing downtime between shoots. Wireless features and instant connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi 5.0 and Bluetooth 5.2, the Brave 9 might allow instant pairing with the Akaso Go app, enabling remote control, real-time preview, and direct uploads to cloud or social media. There are rumors of cloud sync support, where your footage uploads automatically when the camera connects to Wi-Fi. This could revolutionize workflows for creators on the go. Software enhancements and AI-powered modes. The Brave May 9th introduce several new AI-assisted shooting modes, auto tracking, face recognition autofocus, and voice-activated editing tags. These features, if real, would let you mark highlight moments during shooting with your voice and auto-segment clips later during editing. This dramatically speeds up post-production and makes the Brave 9 more than just a hardware upgrade. It becomes a smarter creative assistant. Release date and pricing strategy. While no official confirmation has been made, leaks suggest a Q2 or Q3 2025 launch, most likely between June and August. This aligns with Akaso's past release windows. The pricing is expected to sit between $179 and $229, which positions it perfectly for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on modern features. With optional accessories like chest mounts, extra batteries, or external mics bundled in future kits, the Brave 9 could provide incredible value right out of the box. Real-world use cases that define the Brave 9's value. Let's imagine a few scenarios. You're a solo travel vlogger backpacking across Southeast Asia. You need a camera that records reliably, stabilizes your walk through busy markets, handles humid weather, captures 6K sunsets over the ocean, and upload your daily vlog over hostile Wi-Fi without needing a computer. That's where the Brave 9 might thrive. Or maybe you're a mountain biker racing down technical trails in British Columbia. You want smooth 4K 60 footage, clear voice notes for commentary, and a front screen to verify your frame properly. You don't want to stop and adjust settings every 10 minutes. You want the camera to think with you. Again, that's the Brave 9's promise. Real-world use cases that define the Brave 9's value. If even half these rumors are true, the Akaso Brave 9 won't just be a good budget camera. It might be the best mid-range action camera of the year. By embracing premium features like 6K recording, advanced stabilization, dual screens, and smart audio, while maintaining an accessible price point, Akaso could force the big players to rethink their offerings. And for creators, it means more tools, more creativity, and less compromise. What are your thoughts on the rumored Akaso Brave 9? Could this be your next vlogging companion? Or are you holding out for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you'd use this camera in your own creative journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell, because as soon as the Brave 9 is officially revealed, we'll break down every feature in full detail. Until then, keep shooting, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one.